has been directed to deposit the amount of interest accrued on the amount of compensation without deduction of tax, deduction and source. Respondent number 1 to 6, Hoover claimant approached the MACT Ujjain by application under section 166 of the Motor Vehicle Act 1988, claiming compensation of 95,85,180 on amount on the death of Amrit Lal in a road accident. After recording the negligence on the part of the offending driver, MACT on 2/7/19 awarded total compensation of rupees 49,884,000 along with interest 75% annum from the date of application 23rd of June 2017. The petitioner deposit the compensation rupees 49,84,000. Interest was exceeding 50,000 per claimant year. Insurance company has deducted TDS and deposit the income tax department as per the requirement of section 194A of the IT Act. The chartered accountants said that when the interest exceeds 50,000, the person paying has to deduct TDS. Hence, the insurance company was under a legal obligation to take a deduction because the interest was exceeding 50,000 per claimant per year. MCA has passed the order on the 6/11/2019 by directing the petitioner to deposit the deducted and the amount in the light of judgment on 2/4/2019 passed by the court. In the case of the Oriental Insurance Company Limited versus the Sarubai and Fitchway, the case for deposit of the balance amount on 29/1/2019. The petitioner then has filed the present petition before the court by the submitting that the insurance company was legally bound to deduct the TDS because the interest amount was exceeding was 50,000, and so MACT out to have the directed the claimant to file income tax and claim a refund to the TDS if their total income doesn't exceed 50,000, and the deduction of TDS on the interest payable to respondent number 1 is not liable to be considered again. I want to refer to the judgment of United Indian Insurance Company Limited versus Ramlal and others. The court held that it is the responsibility of the insurance company to obtain the declaration in form of 15G to Rule 29C of the IT rules for the claimant at the time of payment of compensation in order to get relieved of the obligation of the payment of TDS. As the petitioner Oriental Insurance Company Limited has filed the present petition being agreed by order dated 23/10/2019 and 6/11/2019 passed by Learned Motor Accidents Claims Tribunal MACT Ujjain, where the petitioner has been directed to deposit the amount of interest accrued on the amount of compensation without deduction of tax, deduction and source. Respondent number 1 to 6 being claimant approached the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal Ujjain. The deceased was 44 years old of age and working as teacher in government school. He was getting salary of 35,751 per month. The claimant being wife, children, mother and father were dependent on him. The Learned Motor Accident Claims Tribunal has specifically directed the petitioner insurance company not to deduct TDC on the amount of interest unless it exceeds 50,000 in respect of each claimant in each financial year. The MACT later returned the TDS certificate and directed the petitioner to deposit deducted amount before the tribunal. The petitioner said they were under legal obligation to deduct TDS as it was exceeding 50,000 per claimant.
There are some relevant cases which were on which judgment was given on a similar case. In case of Rupesh Rashmika Shah versus Union of India, a similar issue came up for consideration before the Division Bench of High Court of Bombay, in which it was held that interest awarded in motor accident claim case from the date of claim petition till the passing of the award, or in case of appeal till the judgment of the High Court in such an appeal which will not be exhibited to tax and not being an income. In further case, Himachal Pradesh versus Himachal Pradesh State Corporation Bank Limited, the Division Bench of Himachal Pradesh came to the conclusion that the provision of Section 194A of Income Tax Act does not apply to the accident claim cases, and the compensation awarded under the Motor Vehicle Act cannot be said to be a taxable income, because the compensation is awarded in lieu of death of a person or bodily injury suffered in a vehicle accident, which is damage and not income. Hence, Honorable High Court quashed the order passed by the MACT and directed for a refund of the amount. In Commissioner of Income Tax versus Oriental Insurance Company Limited, it has been held that the award of compensation under the motor accident claims cannot be regarded as income. The award is in the form of compensation to the legal heirs of the loss of life of the debtor. Hence, the interest on such award cannot be termed as income to the legal heirs of the deceased or the victim himself. It does not come within the definition of income as mentioned in Section 194A(1) deal with Section 228A of Income Tax Act. Insurance company has filed the present petition before this court by submitting that insurance company was a legal bound to deduct the TDS because the interest amount was exceeding the 50,000. But the insurance company could not have been directed to the contrary of the Insurance Company Act of the Income Tax. In the case of Oriental Insurance Company Limited versus Srimati Swarupabai, the court held that the insurance company is liable to deduct the TDS on the interest paid by it as per provision of Section 194A of the IT Act, and if the excess thinks that the tax has been deducted in the excess, then he can always claim a refund of the same from the IT department. In the case of National Insurance Company Limited versus Srimati Draupadi Bai, the court held that after distribution of amount between the claimants, and if the interest payable to each claimant comes under below 50,000, then the insurance company limited is not entitled to deduct the TDS while depositing the amount of interest before the tribunal.
Here are some more related cases. In the case of New India Assurance Company Limited versus Sudesh Chawla, it was decided on 30/11/2015. So has held that the payment of compensation on account of death and injury is not a business transaction or a receipt of any charge on account of service rendered by any other party. Award of compensation is based on the principle of restitution to place the claimant in the same position and in which he would have been had the loss of life or injury not been there. Therefore, the insurance company could not be called upon to pay the TDS, deduct TDS on the interest part on such compensation. Second case, the New India Assurance Company Limited versus Savitri Devi and other. In this case, it was decided the issue that whether the insurance company can deduct income tax at source TDS on the interest paid on the compensation paid under Motor Vehicle Act 1988, and answer that when there is a conflict between social welfare legislation and taxation legislation, then social welfare legislation would prevail since it subserves larger public interest. The Motor Vehicle Act is one such legislation. In case of victims, they have already been subjected to the rigors of law by taking rounds of the courts for a year or sometime decades to get the compensation for the loss they have already suffered. Therefore, the interest paid on account of the payment of compensation cannot be subjected to TDS and dismiss the revision. Here is another case, the Managing Director versus Chinnadurai. It was held that the compensation awarded or the interest accruing therein from the compensation that has been awarded by the MACT cannot be subjected to TDS, and the same cannot be insisted to be paid to the tax authority, since the compensation and the interest awarded therein does not fall under the term income as defined under the Income Tax Act.
Kailash Narayan versus the Commissioner of Income Tax, in which had been held that the tribunal was justified in holding that the interest, the amounting of rupees 5,757 awarded under Section 110 CC was the revenue received and they are eligible to pay a tax and awarded the difference to favor of the revenue any against the SSC. In the case of the High Court of Punjab and the Haryana in the case, New India Assurance Company Limited was Suresh Chawla decided on 3/11/2015 has held that the payment of compensation on account of death and injury, not a business or transaction, or a receipt of any charge on account of service tax rendered by other party.